Welcome to Edinburgh, I'm Robert and I'll be your guide on this tour. The Victorian Poverty Walking Tour lasts approximately 2 hours and takes you around the areas which were significant in the lives of the poor in Victorian Edinburgh. This short video will answer 4 questions that you may have about this Old Town exploration. Will I get to see much of Edinburgh? Well, even though this is a tour which focuses heavily on very emotional, often eyewitness stories, we do spend the entire tour within the Old Town. There's lots to see and photograph, for example, where we are just now, even if the focus of our stories is on places which most visitors are unaware of. The Old Town is a magnificent backdrop to what we're going to be looking at. Isn't this tour about the Victorians though? Well, yes. Each of the locations we stop at lets us look at something relevant to the lives of Edinburgh's poor. And you'll experience a very different side of Edinburgh's history. For example, often people come to the grass market just down there and they learn about the hangings which took place here. On this tour you'll find out about what life was like in the lodging houses which existed there, places which were vitally important to Edinburgh's poor community. Is this a boring dates and names lecture? No. This tour is one which actually really tugs at the heartstrings. It'll probably make you angry as well, actually. The stories of extreme unfairness, of a judgmental society, of places like the poorhouse or the police night refuge are, in my opinion, some of the most engaging stories in Edinburgh's history. Is this tour any good? Well, Edinburgh's my hometown, so I've got a responsibility to you as my customers and also to my city. And I'm very fortunate that my guests have responded incredibly well to my Victorian tour. We've only ever received 5-star TripAdvisor reviews for this tour. And as a company, we won certificates of excellence in 2017 and 18, and actually we had a much higher average rating in 2019. I'd like to think that your time in Edinburgh is safe with me. Thank you for watching this video.